Welcome back to our video series on building out basic experiences. And today we're going to build out banners. And we'll cover three things. We'll cover simple banners that can be shown to all visitors coming to your website. We'll look at a threshold banner that changes as behavioral conditions change. And third, we'll look at a courtesy banner that might show up after someone submits a form on a separate promotion. Finally, the last thing we'll do is we'll look at the workflow settings that can help optimize your banners for visitors coming to your site. Before we get started, just as a reminder, you can always access the workflow templates and the design templates that we're using in these videos within the template library. You can also access those by going to new workflow or new design, and you'll see most of them listed here. Getting started with our banner today, I'm going to create a blank banner workflow. So let's get started with a simple free shipping banner. I'm going to set my enrollment trigger to show to everyone. And how do we do that? We're going to go to website behavior, sessions, and is any amount all time. This is a really good catch-all to create a workflow that shows to literally all visitors on your website. Next, I'll grab my design step here and we'll select a free shipping banner that's already been created. Okay, so we'll look at free shipping banner light mode. Again, that is a template that can be accessed at any time. And we'll hit save and publish. Now, the last step that we'll do here is look at the workflow settings. Now, I want to display this as a banner. And when I display it as a banner, it will cover the content on the web page. If you want to embed it in page, this will actually push the rest of the content down. You can actually place outside above your header content. And you can find that here by going to our HTML selector. Now, I'm okay with showing it as a banner, so I'll move on to the next step, which is which event should advance visitors beyond this design step. And I'll say close design. And I'm going to leave this box checked because if they do not close the design, I want to run them through this if then every page load. So I'll leave this checked, which you'll generally want this checked for your banners and your flyouts and your embedded promotions because those you want to show on every page load until an action is taken. So I'll hit save here and I'll decide that I want to re-enroll everybody once per session. I'll uncheck the box that requires a new page view. I'll hit save and I'm ready to publish. This is your general free shipping banner that shows to everyone on your website. So what do I do if I want my banners to dynamically change based on a variable such as cart value? Well, I'll build out a longer workflow with multiple banners. So let's go ahead and change our enrollment trigger. And again, we're building out an example of a free shipping threshold banner. So you'll show this banner once someone adds something to their cart, and you'll change the banner once they hit the shipping threshold. So let's go ahead and change this condition here. Go ahead and edit. And I'll say sessions is any amount, that's fine. Let's hit an and condition. Let's look at commerce, cart amount, and we'll hit subtotal here because this is a subtotal before they actually get to taxes on the checkout page. So subtotal is greater than 0 this session. Okay, we'll apply that. And their subtotal is less than 50. It's less than 50. So this will target anybody, this will enroll anybody in any session who has a cart value of between $1 and $49. So that's going to be my enrollment trigger. And then I'll put in my design, which will be my step 1 free shipping threshold banner, which we can find right here at the bottom, free shipping threshold. I'll go ahead and check those settings again. Okay, let's display as a banner. Close design, and we'll repeat that if then on each page load to see if they still qualify. So we'll save that, and then let's drop in an if then branch. And this if then is going to hold them here until they reach a cart value of $50 in order to activate their free shipping offer. So we'll go to commerce, we'll look at cart amount, subtotal is at least $50 this session. So we'll apply that condition and we'll rename it because I like to be organized. Reached. And we'll save. So we only have one if then condition, so it'll keep them here until they hit $50. And then we'll drop in our other design, which is our activated banner, our banner that says you've activated free shipping, congratulations. So free shipping activated. Here we go. We'll double check the designs there. Repeat if then, close design, great. And we'll save that. And that's our advanced banner for showing a free shipping threshold. To review that again, we're enrolling visitors who have a cart amount greater than $0 and less than $50. And then we're showing them the free shipping threshold, sort of the carrot promotion. Then we'll wait for them to attain $50 in their cart as a subtotal. Then we'll show them the design that says they have activated. Okay. Now the last thing I'll do here is I'll double check my workflow settings. I'll say free shipping threshold banner. It's not going to require a new page load. We'll re-enroll them once per session, and that'll be it. We'll save and publish, and we're off to the races with our dynamic free shipping threshold banners. Now, in our last example, we want to show a courtesy banner after someone submits a form on a promotion. So you're shown a pop-up at the beginning of your experience that promises a 10% discount if you submit your email address and or phone number. You do those things and you are presented with your coupon code. And you want to keep shopping, but you want that coupon code still present. And maybe you want a timer with it too. And we just so happen to have a template for that. So I'm going to clear all these things out. I'm going to start again from scratch. And we will change our enrollment trigger. Now this enrollment trigger will be much more like new visitors who have never submitted a form. So I'm going to go ahead and delete all this and we'll start from scratch. So let's say our website behavior sessions is equal to 1 all time. So that'll be new visitors. And we'll start there. Keep it very simple. Now at this point, I'll want to show a delay to let users get acclimated to the site before showing them a promotion. So I'll delay this 25 seconds. We'll hit save. And now it's time for our design to come in. Great. Let's select our design. Let's find an email capture promotion somewhere. Minimal email capture promotion. Great. And we'll go ahead and sync to app here. Let's connect to Klaviyo so that those emails do get subscribed to our test list. Let's save there. We'll see the Klaviyo logo there. And then let's go ahead and drop in an if-then. Now, this if-then branch will determine who will see the courtesy banner and who will not. So what we'll look for is whether or not the email address property has been updated in this workflow. So I'll go to my profile and form properties. Let's type in email. Has been updated in this workflow. Yes. Okay. Let's go ahead and rename. Let's hit that. And then let's also select an else branch in case we want to create another branch for people that do not actually submit their form. So we have 2 branches, form submitted, form not submitted. I'm going to go ahead and drag in this other design, and I will find that here, my courtesy banner with timer, because we have a template for that. And we'll go ahead and check our settings here. Banner, close design, repeat if then. So it'll repeat this if then each page load until the person closes the design. And that looks good. So we'll save that. The last thing I'm going to do is check my design settings. Now this is a pop-up or an overlay. So I'm actually not going to have this box checked. I do not want each page load to continually reload this design until they close it. I instead just want the new page load to make it disappear. So there we have it. There's our third example. We're going to enroll any new visitor. Then we'll delay for 25 seconds. Then we'll show them the minimal email capture promotion that promises a 10% discount. And then whether they submit the form or not, we'll run them through this if then. If they do not, they'll go into oblivion. And if they do, they'll see a nice courtesy banner that follows them around with their coupon code and a timer until they close it. So we've covered a few things today. We've covered a simple free shipping banner. We've covered a free shipping threshold banner that shows dynamic banners based on cart amount. And then we've showed a courtesy banner with a timer after someone submits a form on one of our promotions. We've also looked at our promotion settings and our workflow settings to ensure that this follows the enrollment settings that we want for this workflow.